Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to insert or remove a SIM card on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright, let's begin. Before you start, make sure your iPhone model supports a physical SIM card. If you have a US model, it only supports eSIM, so you'll need to activate an eSIM instead of inserting a physical SIM card. If your iPhone has a SIM tray, open the box and locate the SIM eject tool. If you don't have the original tool, you can also use a straightened paper clip or a small earring that fits into the SIM tray hole. Next, locate the SIM tray on the left side of your iPhone. Insert the eject tool into the small hole and press gently until the tray pops out. Take your nano-SIM card and place it into the tray. Make sure the notched corner matches the tray's shape and the SIM card sits flat without moving. Once the SIM card is properly positioned, slide the tray back into the iPhone carefully until it's completely flush with the side of the device. After inserting the SIM card, wait a few moments for your carrier signal to appear. If your iPhone doesn't have a physical SIM tray, you'll need to complete the eSIM activation process through your carrier instead. So that's basically how you can insert or remove a SIM card on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's it for this video. Thanks.